to throw out a tea party because I'm so excited to throw it. Ain't exciting and funny. Hannah, you're the son, you're fast. I did.
Ooh, and my stomach. Why am I so hungry? Ooh. I can't take the hunger anymore. Why is this so louder? My stomach is growing louder. Ooh, yeah. Why is my stomach growling louder? My stomach is growling louder.
Oh my gosh.